Hello, we're going to be showing you how to start seeds today. So first of all, you're going to take your seed start tray. I have some of it pre-filled here. You want to get a good seed starting mix. This is a cocoa core. It's light and fluffy, lets air through, holds the water well. You want to moisten your seed starting mix before you use it. So you want it to be about that consistency where it kind of holds its shape. You're going to pack it in to your seed cells and push it down a bit. Make sure it's in there really well. You don't want air pockets. Just like that. You're going to put it into your little tray. Take your seeds. Today we're going to be starting some Swiss chard. And on the back it'll usually tell you a lot of information. So it depends on what you're planting, but just follow the directions on the back. For something like Swiss chard, you're going to do about 1 to 2 seeds per cell. And let's see, probably a 1/4 inch deep. So you're going to make a little divot in there. You can use your fingers, or I use chopsticks a lot of the time. Just make a little place for the seeds to nestle in. And you're going to pop your seeds in. And you don't have to be super exact with it. By the time that you're done, you want about 1 plant per cell. So you're going to take it, cover it up with just a little bit more soil. And then water it in thoroughly. It's best to water from underneath so that you don't disturb those seeds that you just planted. So you want to fill the bottom tray just a bit, about 1 inch or so, and let it wick up. It'll absorb all that water and keep it nice and moist. If after about a half hour you lift that up and there's still water, you can go ahead and dump it out. You don't want it too soggy. You don't want it sitting in there forever. It should germinate, again, depending on the seed, about 7 days or so. When they get to be a few inches high, you're going to want to transplant them out. So you'll just kind of work that soil a bit, pop it right out, and you'll see good nice roots on that. That's even more than you really have to have. And then when you plant out or pot up, you're gonna make a little hole in the soil, pop it in at about the soil level. So where it was growing in your seed tray, you want it to grow in the ground like that. When you are starting the seeds, light is very important also. So a good light, a shop light is good to have. I don't know if we have examples in here. If you look online for seed starting lights, you'll find them. You want to keep them usually pretty close to the lights, about 1 inch or 2 away from the plant. So you want it pretty low to start, and as the plants grow, you want to raise that light so they're always about 2 inches above. A south-facing window will suffice if you don't have anything else, but they tend to get a little bit leggy, and by that I mean the plants will grow up and they'll have a really long stem and the leaves will be, way too high. You can kind of correct it when you're planting, but for the most part you want to really give it what it needs from the start. And that's our seed starting class for you.